Homes Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything outside the house. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever looked out at your backyard and felt like something was missing? Maybe you have a beautiful lawn, but it lacks structure, functional style, or that wow factor you see in luxury design magazines. Today we are diving deep into the world of hardscaping, the secret weapon of professional landscape designers. We're going to look at how solid structural elements can completely redefine your property, maximize your usable square footage, and turn an ordinary backyard into an extraordinary low-maintenance paradise. When we talk about hardscaping, we are referring to the non-living structural elements of your outdoor space. While softscaping covers the living, breathing parts like grass, flowers, and trees, hardscaping includes the paved areas, retaining walls, brick patios, stone walkways, pergolas, and gravel transitions. Choosing to invest in hardscaping is one of the smartest moves a homeowner can make. Not only does it provide a clean, intentional framework that beautifully contrasts with your greenery, but it also solves major functional problems. Hardscaping eliminates muddy pathways, prevents soil erosion, fixes grading issues, and significantly slashes your weekly yard maintenance. Best of all, it expands your actual living zone, effectively giving you a durable, weather-resistant outdoor living room that increases your home's equity and curb appeal for years to come. Hardscaping refers to any built structure that helps to give your outdoor space function and definition, with landscaping softening the edges and integrating it into the surroundings. Adding hardscaping in the way of a patio, driveway, retaining wall, walkway, water feature, path, fence, deck, outdoor kitchen, pergola, arbor, gazebo, or other structure will give your outdoor space purpose and help you to maximize your al fresco square footage no matter your yard size, budget, or how often the climate in your region allows you to get outside. Check out these 15 outdoor hardscaping ideas in a range of sizes, styles, budgets, and settings that will inspire you to upgrade your own little outdoor corner of the planet for you and yours to enjoy. One, side walkway. An L-shaped side walkway lined with paver stones, low retaining walls, and stylized landscaping adds curb appeal and texture to this home from hub of the house studio. Keeping everything low to the ground allows the landscaping around the periphery to stand out and keeps sightlines open. The side walkway blends seamlessly into the walkway leading to the front door. 2. Interior courtyard. A central courtyard paved with staggered stones and edged with plants and purple and white flowers gives this outdoor space from Kern & Company a classic and timeless feel. Styled here with a simple table as a pass-through space, it could easily house a dining area with the addition of chairs. 3. Poolside patio. Interior designer Sarah Simon of Handsome Salt built a small flagstone and gravel patio with a U-shaped banquette on one end of this above-ground pool in Southern California. The patio is integrated into the pool with seat backs that are the same height as the pool to create a seamless. A large daybed on the other side of the pool adds balance. 4. Fire pit area and gates. This Palm Springs fire pit conversation area from Michelle Boudreau Design is set on a dedicated concrete cutout patio in a spacious and multifunctional courtyard. A high wall and built-in black gating give the space a private and enclosed feel. 5. Stone patio and bench. This Mediterranean stone patio from Fantastic Frank looks like it's part of the natural landscape, with a rustic corner bench, retaining wall, and mix of sculptural landscaping that ties it all together. 6. Gravel patio. Kate Marker Interiors created an outdoor living room on a gravel patio just outside the French doors at the back of this home. This space adds structure and functionality to the large backyard, with twin sofas facing one another giving the seating area a slightly formal feel. 7. Wood deck. Tyler Carew Design Plus Interiors added a spacious deck to maximize outdoor entertaining space on this historic waterfront home renovation in Maine. The modern hardscaping doesn't try to compete with the original structure, but complements it instead, adding modern functionality and a sleek, entertaining space. 8. Asymmetrical edge driveway. This driveway from Kathy Hong Interiors has asymmetrical edges that are filled in with landscaping to add a bit of interest to the front yard. A wood slat garage door adds warmth and echoes the front door cladding and adjacent fencing. 9. Brick paver patio. A brick paver patio creates space for an outdoor table and chairs in this lakeside cottage property from Cape Marker Interiors. A vintage-style bistro table and chairs give the space a timeless feel. 10. Wood walkway and front deck. Wide, pale wood walkway steps lead to an open patio-style deck that gives this modern home from handsome salt a sense of cohesion. Stationary wood awnings match the hardscaping, adding symmetry to the facade. 11. Stone patio and fireplace. A rustic stone patio complete with a half-circle wall, a monumental outdoor fireplace, and overgrown hedging gives this outdoor dining space from Marie Flanagan Interiors an inviting feel. 12. LED lit steps. Integrated LED lighting makes the chunky staggered wood steps leading up to this modern home from handsome salt feel like they are floating above the desert-friendly, drought-resistant landscaping. 13. Concrete pool patio. This backyard space from Gaia-inspired mixes warm wood fencing with a concrete pool patio that includes massive built-in concrete planters that surround the bases of the property's soaring palm trees. 14. Cobblestone patio. This converted United Kingdom carriage house from Devil Kitchens is accessed by a gray cobblestone patio that adds character and complements the brick siding on the main house. 15. Retaining wall. Use large-scale boulders to build a retaining wall for a sloping backyard. Cape Marker Interiors flank the steps leading down to a fire pit conversation area with retaining walls that give the backyard a natural feel and complement simple landscaping and lawn. As you can see, hardscaping is truly the foundation of any breathtaking outdoor space. It gives your yard a sense of permanence, balance, and high-end luxury that plants alone simply cannot achieve. Whether you decide to start small with a classic stone fire pit zone or go all out with a multi-level porcelain tile patio, these structural upgrades will completely change how you experience your home. The transition between your indoor comfort and outdoor freedom becomes seamless, giving you a beautiful sanctuary to enjoy for seasons to come. If you loved these hardscaping ideas and are ready to elevate your outdoor design game, make sure to smash that like button right now. Don't forget to subscribe to Home's Decor Designs and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our daily inspiration for everything outside the house. Drop a comment below and let us know, which of these hardscaping ideas are you going to try in your own backyard first? Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.
you.